NBC5 medical expert Dr. Robin Miller joining us now for this week's Focus on Health.
Thanks for being here, Dr. Miller.
Thanks for having me.
Let's get to our very first question.
All right, is there anything new for the treatment of migraines in children?
There is, and it works. Interventional radiologists performed a sphenopalatine ganglion block in children with migraines. They administered anesthetic to a small cluster of nerves in the back of the nose. It takes literally 10 minutes. Relief of headaches lasts for months.
Wow. Now, think this can be used in adults?
It can be. I looked it up. There's nothing here available, but you just have to find who's doing it.
Okay, interesting. That's probably
pretty
great
exciting.
for people who are dealing with that.
Yes.
Our second question, do we know how air pollution is able to affect our lungs in a negative way?
Now we do. Black carbon, a common component of pollution, alters bacteria present in the lung that makes them resistant to certain antibiotics. Biofilms form, which are bacterial cells that stick together, forming a slimy, glue-like substance. These can cause stubborn infections that are hard to treat.
All right, are there other areas in the body where biofilms form?
Dental plaque.
Really?
So that's a good example of what you can see or feel that's happening in your mouth.
Interesting.
And that's what's going on in the lung.
Fascinating.
Wow, great minds. Very interesting. All right, our last question. Are there any new ideas for treating chronic pain without medication?
Yes, shared reading helps. Researchers took patients with chronic pain. One group of patients was given cognitive behavioral therapy for 5 weeks. The other group did shared reading for 22 weeks. After 5 weeks, the cognitive behavioral group joined the readers. Both groups reported severity of pain and emotions after each intervention. Reading used literature that prompted memories of relationships, family, and work experiences. The reading group showed an improved mood and pain severity for up to 2 days after the shared reading.
Wow. And did the cognitive behavioral therapy help?
It did, but for different things, for actually managing the pain, not exactly reducing the severity.
Okay. So you think it's just getting your mind off it by doing that reading?
I think it is, and doing something as a group and shared really helped.
Power of the mind.
Huge.
Interesting. All right, we want to let you know that you can send your questions in to Dr. Robin Miller right there on our KOBI TV NBC5 Facebook page. Send us a message, and you may see your questions answered right here next Tuesday night.
Dr. Miller, thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
Always a pleasure. NBC5 meteorologist Adam Kolpack's up next with your full weather forecast.
But first, take a look at what's coming up tonight in primetime.